we may consider to be natural with spectacle at old age. It is hard to avoid it, but can be delayed. It is inevitable to use computer, laptop, television and mobile in today's life, but it gets reflected as a side effect or bad effect in the form of spectacled little ones or youngsters. In this video, we are going to discuss an important process that will minimize these bad effects of technology and many other things. That important process or prakriya is Anulom Vilom. In this video, we are going to cover aspects like benefits of Anulom Vilom, how these benefits happen, its bad effects or precautions, and the process. So let's begin. Hello. Welcome to Jnanarogya English. In order to keep the eyes healthy, to keep the mind carefree, glad and introverted, Anulom Vilom is definitely helpful. Anulom means to inhale, means purak. Vilom means to exhale, rechak. Inhaling and exhaling in a scientific and definite pattern and in an alternate manner is nothing but Anulom Vilom. A verse in Gheranda Samhita says, Anulom Vilomena varam varancha sadhayeta purakante kumbhakantam dhrutanasa kutatvaya kanishta namika moshthai darjani madhyame vina. Means, like this, Anulom Vilom must be practiced with the help of both the nostrils. After inhaling, it advises to close the right nostril with the help of the thumb and left nostril with Anamika and Karanguli, that is fourth finger and little finger, up to the end of Kumbhaka, without the use of index finger and middle finger. Kumbhaka means holding breath. Don't get confused between Anulom Vilom and Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Though Gheranda Samhita has mentioned Kumbhaka in the verse. If this process is practiced without Kumbha, then it is Anulom Vilom or Chakravartan. And with Kumbhak, it is called as Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama or Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. In this video, we are covering only Anulom Vilom. Let's see now the benefits of Anulom Vilom and how it occurs. After slow and deep inhaling, oxygen reaches blood vessels and blood capillaries around eyes. It improves blood circulation over there, strengthens the eye muscles and makes them efficient. This keeps the eyes healthy. If person is spectacled, then Anulom Vilom helps to reduce the number of glasses. Anulom Vilom increases the oxygen level in the blood and hence acts as an immunity booster. It enhances the lung capacity, thereby vital energy of the body. Due to focus on breathing, mind calms down, hence concentration level increases, makes the mind introverted. It releases mental tension and thereby increases the thinking capacity of the brain. As it relieves them from mental tensions, Anulom Vilom is not less than a miracle for heart patients and BP patients. Now the question arises, what are its bad effects or precautions? Let me tell you that there are no ill effects of Anulom Vilom. Every individual can practice it due to its simplicity, but better practice it empty stomach. Now let's see how to do Anulom Vilom. First, sit erect in any Dhyanatmak asana. Swastikasana, Sahajasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana. Keep your neck also erect with your gaze steadily centered in front. Now slowly close your eyes. Relax and concentrate on breathing. Breathe naturally. Now start deep inhaling and exhaling with both the nostrils. Repeat it 2-3 times. And now take your right hand in Pranava Mudra or Pranayam Mudra as shown in the video. Using Pranava Mudra, close the right nostril with thumb and inhale deeply through left nostril. Now close the left nostril and open the right one. And now exhale slowly through right nostril. This completes the half cycle of Anulom Vilom. Now inhale deeply through right nostril and then closing it, exhale slowly through left nostril. And now this completes one complete cycle of Anulom Vilom. Repeat these cycles for 5, 10 or 15 minutes or as per your capacity or time availability. Like this, without Kumbhaka, practice Puraka and Rechaka alternately. Do note the duration of Rechaka as per your own capacity and do Puraka for half of that duration. For example, if you exhale in 8 seconds, Then try to inhale in 4 seconds. You may use Tala Yantra for the judgment of the duration. You can increase the proportion of Puraka and Rechaka slowly. Initially practice it as per your own capacity. You practice breathing techniques only after performing asanas. This is the video for asanas. Click here to check it out. Hope you like this video. All the best for your good health and thanks a lot for watching.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified first for each new video.